Hello, welcome to another video by HU Excel. Today I'm going to show you a kind of a case study, an example of the kind of things that I have helped people with in the past. This is something I worked on for a coworker about 15 years ago. I had to reproduce the situation because I don't work with them anymore and I don't have access to their files and whatnot. But what they had going on is they had a folder where there were log files, and there would sometimes be dozens or hundreds of log files in here. And what they were having to do was they were going in through each of these log files and gathering the IP addresses. And this is kind of what the log file would have looked like. They weren't quite like this, but they were similar to this. So there'd be a bunch of random text, and scattered throughout there would be IP addresses. So my coworker would spend sometimes several hours digging through these log files just to find all the IP addresses. Okay, what I was able to do was I was able to write some code for them. What this code will do is it will loop through every file in this folder, and it will gather the IP addresses. So what I was able to do is I was able to take a task that was mind-numbing and very tedious and took a lot of time, and I reduced it to literally this fast. That just looped through every file in that folder, grabbed every IP address out of every one of those files. So this is the kind of task that I would be happy to help you with at your company if you have something similar. I've also done data grabs out of Excel spreadsheets. Companies that have tracked data through Excel spreadsheets for years, and they have hundreds. In one case, there were thousands of Excel files that were all formatted the same, but to look up any data over especially a span of time, you had to open every Excel file and gather information. And I was able to write a similar kind of code. It would open every file in a folder, and it would gather that information out of there. So this is just one example of the kind of things, kind of services that HU Excel, Help You Excel can offer to you. If you are interested, visit us on my website, huexcel.com. And you can also reach out to me by email. I am going to put that up on here right now. So my website is huexcel.com. My email address is paul@huexcel.com. Okay, if you would like help with something like this, have questions, send me an email. If you like this video, make sure you like it. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.